Atyrau Oil Refinery, ANPZ LLP, Kazakhstan. Overview. The Atyrau Oil Refinery, ANPZ LLP, is one of Kazakhstan's largest and most strategically important petroleum refineries. Located in Atyrau, western Kazakhstan, on the northern shore of the Caspian Sea near the Ural, Zhayik, river, the refinery is approximately 20 kilometers from the Kazakhstan-Russia border. Commissioned in 1945, it is the oldest operating refinery in the country. The refinery is majority owned by KazMunayGas, KMG, Kazakhstan's national oil and gas company. The refinery occupies an industrial complex covering more than 500 hectares and serves as one of Kazakhstan's three major oil refineries. It plays a critical role in the country's energy security by supplying transportation fuels and petrochemical feedstocks to domestic industries and export markets. Refinery capacity and modernization. Atyrau Oil Refinery has undergone several modernization phases, particularly between 2011 and 2018, to improve refining efficiency, increase conversion capability, and reduce environmental emissions. The refinery has crude oil processing capacity, approximately 5.5 million tons per year. Refining depth, approximately 89%. Fuel quality, Euro 4 and Euro 5 compliant. Annual sulfur recovery capacity, approximately 130,000 tons. Advanced process units, atmospheric distillation unit, ADU, vacuum distillation unit, VDU, catalytic reforming, diesel hydrotreating, hydrocracking, isomerization, sulfur recovery unit, SRU, and hydrogen production unit, HPU. These modernization projects significantly increased the production of clean transportation fuels while reducing heavy fuel oil production and atmospheric emissions. Products and market. The refinery manufactures a broad range of petroleum products, including motor gasoline, RON 92-95, ultra-low sulfur diesel, jet fuel, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, fuel oil, petroleum coke, granulated sulfur, benzene, paraxylene, petrochemical feedstocks. Annual production exceeds 5 million tons of refined petroleum products, supplying much of western Kazakhstan while supporting exports to neighboring Central Asian markets. Crude oil supply and feedstock management. The refinery processes crude oil produced primarily from Kazakhstan's largest oil fields, including Tengiz, Kashagan, Emba, and other Caspian Basin reservoirs. Crude oil is delivered mainly through the national pipeline network operated by Caspian Sea and stored in large tank farms before processing. The refinery maintains crude blending, quality monitoring, sampling, and inventory control systems to optimize feedstock quality, maximize product yield, and ensure continuous plant operation. Process engineering and refining operations. The refinery utilizes a combination of primary and secondary conversion processes designed to maximize light product recovery. Major processing units include atmospheric distillation, vacuum distillation, naphtha hydrotreating, catalytic reforming, diesel hydrotreating, hydrocracking, isomerization, sulfur recovery, hydrogen production. These integrated processes significantly improve gasoline octane, diesel cetane quality, sulfur removal efficiency, and overall refinery profitability while achieving a refining depth of nearly 89%. Utilities and off-site facilities. The refinery operates extensive utility systems supporting continuous production, including steam generation boilers, electrical substations, cooling water systems, demineralized water plants, compressed air systems, nitrogen generation units, fuel gas network, flare systems, wastewater treatment plant, firewater network, tank farms, truck and rail loading terminals. These facilities provide uninterrupted utility services essential for safe refinery operation. Equipment, maintenance, reliability, and asset integrity. The refinery operates thousands of major equipment items, including centrifugal pumps, compressors, turbines, fired heaters, pressure vessels, columns, heat exchangers, storage tanks, and hundreds of kilometers of piping. Maintenance activities include preventive maintenance, PM, predictive maintenance, PDM, risk-based inspection, RBI, reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, corrosion monitoring, non-destructive testing, NDT, fitness for service, FFS assessments, asset integrity management, AIM. These programs improve equipment reliability, reduce downtime, and extend asset life. Engineering, projects, and turnaround management. Engineering teams execute modernization projects, debottlenecking studies, process optimization initiatives, and capital investments. Major refinery turnarounds are generally conducted every 4 to 6 years, during which thousands of maintenance, inspection, catalyst replacement, and equipment upgrade activities are completed to restore plant reliability and ensure regulatory compliance. Process control, automation, instrumentation, and digital systems. The refinery utilizes modern automation systems, including Distributed Control System, DCS, Safety Instrumented System, SIS, Emergency Shutdown System, ESD, Programmable Logic Controllers, PLC, Online Process Analyzers, Advanced Process Control, APC, Plant Information Management System, PIMS. These technologies enable real-time monitoring of thousands of process variables, improving operational efficiency, process safety, energy optimization, and production planning. Refined products and byproducts management. Comprehensive product management includes laboratory testing, blending, certification, storage, inventory control, and product dispatch. Key byproducts include petroleum coke, sulfur, benzene, paraxylene, hydrogen-rich fuel gas. Strict quality assurance procedures ensure compliance with Kazakhstan's national standards and applicable international fuel specifications. Storage, transportation, distribution, and logistics. The refinery operates extensive storage infrastructure comprising crude oil tanks, intermediate storage tanks, and finished product tank farms with a combined storage capacity of several 100,000 cubic meters. Products are distributed through national pipeline systems, railway tank wagons, road tankers, export terminals. Integrated logistics planning ensures efficient inventory management and reliable product delivery. Human resources and organizational management. The refinery employs approximately 2,500 to 3,000 personnel, including engineers, operators, maintenance technicians, laboratory specialists, HSE professionals, and administrative staff. Human resource programs focus on workforce planning, competency management, leadership development, occupational health and safety, continuous professional training, performance management, digital skills development. These initiatives support safe operations, continuous improvement, and sustainable organizational growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable or informative, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your colleagues and friends. Your support helps us create more high-quality content.